Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Ekachakra Dham is located at Birbhum district of West Bengal, India. It is near about 165 km northwest side of Sridham, Mayapur. Ekachakra, Eka means one and Chakra means wheel. This place is named Ekachakra because this is the place where the chariot wheel fell, which Lord Sri Krishna took to kill Bhismadeva on the battlefield of Kurukshetra.
Krishna, Krishna,
Ekachakra Dham is the birthplace of Lord Nityananda.
Rama.
According to the scriptures, it has been said that Lord Nityananda himself is the Balram, who is the first expansion of Lord Sri Krishna, and who is the Adi Guru, the original preachers of Krishna consciousness. Vaishnava Acharya said that without mercy of Lord Nityananda, we never gain mercy of Lord Gauranga.
Hare Krishna,
This is the main entrance of Nityananda Prabhu's birthplace. This is the Garbhavas or Sutika Mandir, exact birth spot of Lord Nityananda.
Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Shastitala, Nityananda Prabhu's mother Padmavati's worshipped place. This is the place where Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's elder brother Vishwarup sat here. Ishwarpuri took rest here, and Mahaprabhu kept his mala here.
Hare Krishna,
Nityananda Kunda, Nityananda Prabhu took bath here.
Hare Hare Rama,
Nityananda Prabhu's father Harai Pandit house.
Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
This is the new temple building.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Naripota, also known as Siddhabakul Tala. This place is a few meters distance from the birthplace of Nityananda Prabhu. In here, Lord Nityananda's umbilical cord had been planted inside the ground. In here, little Nitai used to play along with his childhood friends. When Lord Nitai rested under this bakul tree, its branches and leaves acted as a safe snag and protect him from heat and rain. Lord Nitai used to enact various pastimes of Sri Ram and Krishna at here and his friend's place. Hatugada, also known as Janu Kunda and Sarvatitha Kunda. Lord Nityananda brought the sacred waters from all the holy places to this Kunda to save his parents and other local residents from traveling to the holy places.
Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Panchapandaptala. This place is a short walk from birthplace of Nityananda Prabhu. The Pandavas lived here with Mother Kunti Devi during their exile to the forest. Sri Vyasdeva also gave darshan to Pandava here at this particular place.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna.
This is the Kadam Khandi Ashram temple.
Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Behind that temple is river Yamuna, which is known different from Yamuna of Sridham Vrindavan. There is a ghat in the river Yamuna whose name is Kardam Khandi Ghat. Kardam means clay and Khandi means ghat. In this place, Bakarai, who is Lord Sri Krishna himself, appeared as a log of wood. Lord Nityananda picked it up and making a beautiful deity from this wood and installed it in the temple in the village of Birchandrapur, about half a mile from here. Bakarai Temple. This is the beautiful deity of Bakarai. Nityananda Prabhu entered and ended his pastime at the deity of Bakarai. Nityananda Prabhu's wife Janva Mata and his son Birchandra Prabhu spent their whole life by the servicing of Lord Bakarai. There is also a samadhi of Birchandra Prabhu's. Lord Jagannath Temple is just beside the Bakarai Temple. It is said that Lord Nitai had summoned Sri Jagannath Dev from Puri over here so as to save his father Sri Harai Pandit from travelling all the way to Puri Dham and take darshan of Jagannath over here. All the deities in this temple are ancient and self-manifested. This is the Gauriya Math. Beautiful Gaur Nitai deity is here.
Ram Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Padmavati Kunda. This pond was dug and gifted to Sri Hadai Pandit by Srimati Padmavati Devi's father Sri Mukut Narayan Rai. Sri Padmavati Devi had first take her bath in this pond 21 days after it had been dug. Kundaltala, a snake lived here and disturbed local residents. Then Lord Nitai used his earring to block the hole and sent the snake inside ground. This earring increases in size with time.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare.
This is Iskon Ekachakra Temple. Iskon Ekachakra have a guest house and nice prasadam facility.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Rama, Rama Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare.
There are also many more special places here, like Mahaprabhu Tala, Ekashekreshwar Shiv Temple, etc. Hare Krishna. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get latest update.